How to do Airbnb rental arbitrage in the USA. Are you interested in making money through Airbnb rental arbitrage? This strategy involves renting a property and listing it on Airbnb for profit. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do Airbnb rental arbitrage in the USA. 1. Research the market. Before embarking on your rental arbitrage journey, it's important to research the market. Look for cities or neighborhoods with high demand for short-term rentals and a favorable regulatory environment. 2. Choose the right property. Select a property that fits the criteria for a successful Airbnb listing. Consider factors such as location, size, amenities, and potential rental income. It's advisable to choose a property within your budget, and that has the potential for a positive cash flow. 3. Analyze expenses. Calculate all the expenses involved in renting and managing the property. This includes rent, utilities, insurance, furnishing, cleaning services, property management fees, and Airbnb's fees. Ensure that the potential rental income outweighs these expenses to make a profit. 4. Negotiate a favorable lease. Negotiate with the property owner for a lease agreement that allows short-term rentals. Some landlords may be open to this arrangement, especially if they are struggling to find long-term tenants. Make sure the lease agreement is legally binding and clearly outlines the terms and conditions. 5. Furnish and decorate the property. Create an inviting and comfortable space for your guests. Furnish the property with essential items such as beds, sofas, tables, chairs, and kitchen appliances. Consider adding extra touches like stylish decorations and amenities to attract more bookings. 6. Set up an Airbnb account. Create an Airbnb account and set up a compelling listing for your property. Include high-quality photos, a detailed description, and competitive pricing. Highlight the unique features and benefits of your property to attract potential guests. 7. Manage bookings and guest relations. Once your listing is live, be prepared to manage bookings and guest relations. Promptly respond to inquiries, maintain cleanliness, and provide excellent customer service. Consider using a property management service if you're unable to handle these tasks on your own. 8. Optimize pricing and occupancy. Regularly analyze your pricing strategy to maximize occupancy and revenue. Adjust your rates based on demand, seasonality, and market trends. Offer discounts for longer stays to attract guests who are looking for extended accommodations. 9. Monitor and review performance. Continuously monitor your property's performance to identify areas for improvement. Pay attention to guest reviews and feedback, and make necessary adjustments to enhance the guest experience. Aim to maintain a high rating and positive reputation. 10. Stay informed and compliant. Keep up to date with local regulations regarding short-term rentals. Some areas have specific rules and restrictions that you need to comply with. Stay informed about any changes in legislation or licensing requirements to avoid legal issues. By following these steps, you can start your Airbnb rental arbitrage business in the USA and potentially generate a steady income. Remember to do thorough research, carefully analyze expenses, and provide excellent guest experiences to ensure long-term success.